Hey everybody, welcome to the top offers, and we're going to be doing something a bit different. We are talking about the top 6 ecom offers on ClickBank right now in 2026. And you're probably thinking to yourself, what? ClickBank has ecom products? Yes, you bet your bottom dollar we do. And I'm going to tell you right now, these are amazing ecom offers. We have spent the last 7 months looking for the world's best ecom offers. We've gone all over the place, to America, to Europe, to America again, to find the best ecom offers, and we have brought them on ClickBank, and we're going to continue bringing you amazing ecom offers. By the way, my name is Michael Lohman, and I'm an affiliate sales manager here at ClickBank. I work with the top affiliates in the space, so I know which offers are worth promoting, and soon you will too, especially the ecom ones. And speaking of offers worth promoting, let's get to those offers, starting out with number 6. And at number 6, we have Venodium. First off, it is a special cutting board for the kitchen that bills itself as always clean, always safe. Now, let's give you a few stats. Commissions are starting at $40 per conversion on this offer, and the average order value starts at $80. It can get up to $130. Now let's talk about the product. Plastic cutting boards breed bacteria. Wooden boards soak up meat juices, which once you say meat juices, it kind of sounds gross, doesn't it? And Venodium solves both of those problems. It's 100% hygienic, keeps knives razor sharp, and wipes clean in seconds. It's a total game changer. And as always, you can find out more and promote Venodium by visiting the ClickBank Marketplace. You'll see you there. Start promoting it. At number 5, we got the Derila Ergo Pillow. And this is an exciting new sleep ecom product you should know about. This pillow changes everything. Now, let's start off with how much you're gonna make off this sucker. Well, earnings per order are between $38 to $68. It has an average order value from $90 to $150. And you're gonna make a good amount of money on this because the conversion rate is amazing. This product stands out because of comfort and support, just like me. The revolutionary butterfly design cradles your head and neck in perfect alignment, turning restless nights into deep, pain-free, rejuvenating sleep. If the Derila Ergo Pillow sounds interesting, you can bet your bottom dollar is in the marketplace, so go, promote it, go scale it, make some money. So coming in at number 4, we have the Jade Pixiu bracelet, the ultimate talisman for protection and good fortune that's more valuable than gold in Asian culture. First, let's talk stats. Earnings per order, $15 to $30 per conversion. It's got an average order value around $50 to $60. And you're probably saying to yourself, what exactly is a Jade Pixiu bracelet? It's a 5,000-year-old stone of heaven used to attract powerful benefactors for financial and relationship success all year round. It is aligning yourself with the universe. And here's some of the big benefits they claim. Cleanse and purify your energy field from negative and energy vampires. Unparalleled power to overcome all odds by staying calm and level-headed, and attracting powerful benefactors for financial and relationship success, and attracting good luck and money making, which is what you can do if you start promoting this offer. So go to the marketplace and start promoting it today. Okay, we're gonna take a quick break to give you an update of a test that we told you on our last top offers video, link right here. Okay. So in our last top offers video, we asked you to help us with an experiment on YouTube. And that experiment was to like, subscribe, and comment on all at the same time so we could figure out this YouTube algorithm. We got 30 of you to say, Michael, I told you so in the comments as of taping right now. And so what we are asking you to do is to help us figure out this algorithm a little bit more. So do the same thing, like, subscribe, and comment below. And in the comments say, Michael, I did it. Okay? So comment below, Michael, I did it, and like, subscribe, and comment, Michael, I did it. Okay? Yeah, you got it. And then we'll tell you the results next month. Okay, let's get back to the top ecom offers. All right, in position number 3, we have Elite Boost Men's Patch. Now, check out the current stats here. We got earnings per order ranging from $35 to $50 depending on the traffic source, and an average order value of $90.84. This daily patch is designed to support men's sex drive, circulation, and energy. It supports testosterone levels through the skin, not the stomach, and benefits of the product include transdermal nutrient delivery that absorbs directly through the skin for fast, efficient uptake. No pills, no digestion, no hassle. And it has testosterone support like Tongat, Alley, and vitamin B6. I know what Tongat is. And you're going to Tongat the amazing things it does to the natural testosterone levels. That's right. So it has blood flow optimization, L-arginine, that supports nitric oxide production, enhanced circulation, and oxygen delivery for total body vitality. Which sounds amazing. Now, for you, it is converting like crazy. So go, promote it. Great ecom product. At number 2, we have Trim Pure Gold Patch. And let's talk about how much money you can make off of this. We got earnings per order between $35 to $50 and an AOV of close to $100. And this thing is a natural fat burning patch, just like the last one, but this is designed for the female market. And it's designed to work without pills, diets, or exercise. And here's some of the big benefits that includes. It's a transdermal nutrient delivery. It absorbs right through the skin for fast, efficient uptake, no pills, no digestion, no hassle. And it is great for listicle traffic. That listicle traffic might be looking for metabolism activation that supports your body's fat-burning master switch to help unlock stored fat. And the best part, this is on the marketplace. So go, promote it, get started. This is gonna work great with listicle, native, Facebook traffic. So go. And at number 1 for our ecom offers, we have the OG, the original Rocket Languages, the powerful online program that teaches users to speak and understand foreign languages fast. You're welcome. That's English, by the way. So Rocket Languages, amazing stats. You got an earnings per order of $85 to $90, an average order value of $154.53, and this thing works across all major traffic channels, especially listicles. And let's just talk about it. Rocket Languages provides interactive lessons for learners of all levels and languages, combining engaging activities with proven teaching methods. And your audience will enjoy immediate results as they immerse themselves in dynamic audio and visual modules focused on real-world conversational skills, cultural insights, and some memory-enhancing exercises, which I probably need, as you can tell by watching this video. And when you promote Rocket Languages as an approved affiliate, you are promoting a well-respected resource that appeals to travelers, students, and ambitious professionals like myself. Who wrote myself? I'm not ambitious. Actually, I am very ambitious.
Just a little ambitious.
I'm a little ambitious. It has an excellent track record of success stories. It's just a well-made program that's both fun and effective, and it's available in the marketplace. So go, start promoting it. It's an amazing converting product. You do have to get approved by them to start promoting it, but if you got the traffic, if you got the lists, you're gonna be approved. So go, promote it. All right, so those are our top 6 ecom offers right now. And this list is gonna just start changing and changing as the months go on. We are actively bringing on more and more ecom products to ClickBank. Yeah, you heard that right. I wasn't talking and lying at the beginning. I was telling you the truth and nothing but the truth. So these offers, you're gonna see tons of them coming through the next few months. So start promoting them. We're excited to give you guys another amazing vertical that you can send your traffic on ClickBank. So go, promote these offers. Go, what are you waiting for? Go make some money. Happy scaling, y'all.